In this video, we are going to see how we can use the dictionary in Google Docs. So whether you want to search for the correct spelling or you want to know about what word it is, what is the meaning of it, and all the details about it, what you can do is just click on the tools and click on a dictionary. And whatever we want to write, you're going to search for it, hit enter, and it will show you the right spelling instead of whatever you have written. And it will give you what it is. It is a noun or whatever, synonyms or the complete meaning of it. And whatever other hyperlinks you have, like ones with a similar meaning, you can click on that and you can find the meaning about that as well. And similarly, you can do that in the document as well. Whatever word you're confused with, for example, this word, we just highlight this, right click on it, and you simply click on define murmuring. And you will find that in dictionary with the complete meanings and what it is all about. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.